Hey guys, have you been asking yourself, is Paid Viewpoint still the right website for you in this year 2024? This website that I'm going to talk about, it has been here in existence and it helps you to earn some extra money on the side. Yes, but if you're new to this channel, my name is Gloria and this is Anne with Gloria YouTube channel. I talk about different ways on how to make money online, ways that I've tried and have really worked for me. So if that's what you are looking for, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Let's get into the video. So guys, this is the website that I was telling you about. It's called PaidView. Yes, this is the website I was telling you about, and they did not change their name. Their name is still the same. Yes, their name is still the same, as you can see. They did not change it, but they just rebranded their website, changed the features. Before it was not like this. They add, like, it's easy to navigate. Before it was not the website, you couldn't understand it properly, but right now it's easy. You can know that this is the dashboard. Here they will show your earnings, your profile, like your profile, your name, where you stay, your street address, and all those things, your settings, the friends, people you've invited in. And if you have any questions, then you can contact their support. Yes, and another way you can earn from this website is by referring others. Yes, you can refer others to this website. And another thing, as you can see, I'm already earning. And another thing about this website, their surveys are not difficult. Their surveys are so easy. Yes, they are so easy. They take up to 1 minute. They are not like other survey websites where you have to answer a survey for 20 minutes and they disqualify. Another thing I like about this survey website is that I have never got a survey and they tell me I'm disqualified. Like all the surveys they are sending to me, I get a chance to answer them and earn. Yes, but other survey websites, you answer a survey and after they tell you after 10 minutes that you are disqualified, you are not a match for this survey. But this website, that's not how it is. So guys, if you want to join this paid viewpoint and you feel like it's the right website for you, then I'm going to leave a link in my description below. I've also done a video about the best survey sites that you can join this year 2024 and you earn. Some of them are paying better and others, they even compensate you for doing surveys and you don't do what, for doing surveys and you don't get, if you do a survey and you are disqualified, for them they will go ahead and still compensate you and pay you money for that. Like some survey websites, they don't do it. You waste your time, do a survey, and at the end of the day they will tell you you are disqualified in this survey. So that video I did, there are so many different survey websites that you can try, and even if you are disqualified, they'll give you like a compensation for your time. So this is paid view for you, and I really like it. It has been there for a long time. It's one of the survey sites that you can do without even stressing yourself. Yes, you can do it even you can do it like the questions, you don't even have to read so much. Yes, you can just do it right away. It's so easy. So this is the video that I had for you. Please don't forget to like, comment. If you've tried out this website, please don't forget to comment it in the comment section below so that we can help others.